$40 to fill this thing up. $40 in Maryland anyway. She's looking a little rough. Today we're gonna take out the yellowing in these headlights. We're gonna clean her up. Interior is filthy. Door jambs are disgusting. All that gonna get taken care of today. Interior of this car is an absolute mess. Got bullshit everywhere. Letters on the door. I'm gonna clean all of this up. Disgusting. I went to the pick and pull and I managed to snag this from the other Forester. Time capsule. Let's go. Owner reference guide. How cool is this? 2004. Who knew? That's crazy. This thing's looking badass. Look at that. Wow. Stay tuned, video coming up soon. This'll do. Dang, totally refreshed the entire front end. Cannot wait to get this car where I want it to be. Look at that. I've been putting it off for so long. And there it is. That is the difference. Literally clear as day. Buffed out, silky smooth. You can hear how rough this is. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Can't wait to hit this side. Wow. Sweet. There it is, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for your time and consider subscribing.